Elijah and I are enjoying here at the park this morning. This is doing the little pathways to the fountain. There's a lot of benches right here. A lot of kids playing cricket. And Elijah. Has enjoyed being out. What? No? Has enjoyed being out here. He's been clapping all morning. Which is his new favorite thing to do. Nice cool breeze and the birds are chirping this morning. Yay! Yay! You enjoy the park, Elijah. Oh, we see. It's nice to sit here in the shade with the kids playing and the breeze, and it's beautiful here. I'm really thankful for a place like this. And so is Elijah. When he can walk, he'll come out here and he'll play too. Won't we, buddy? Won't we, buddy?